Ubephila impilo yokugxila ezincwadini uDenilafo neminyaka eyi-19 ubudala nobe ngumfundi kamatikuletsheni esikoleni King David High eLinksfield. Uthi ukuthola kwakhe imiphumela emihle kungenxa yesinqumo asithathe semncane sokufunda ngokuzimisela.
Since grade 1 I've loved school. I enjoy learning and I enjoy all of my subjects, but choosing subjects in grade 10 and doing as many as I did, that's when I realized that, you know, this is something I really enjoy doing and don't want to ever stop doing.
Ulafa uthole imiphumela emihle yodwa engaphezulu kwamaphesenti angu-90. Kanti uYizagwena naye ubethukile elindele imiphumela kamatikuletsheni. Yena uphumelele ezifundweni zakhe ngamalengiso esifundweni sezibalo kanye ne-physical science kanye nolwimi iHebrew.
I'd like to study electrical engineering. I've really enjoyed studying at school maths and science. It's really interested me, and for that reason I think engineering will also interest me a lot, and I'm also just very interested in how things work.
Kanti kulindele ukuthi babungaze ukuphumelela kwabo labafundi abaphumelele ngamalengiso ngeke kube yibona bodwa labafundi kodwa bonke abafundi bezikole ezizimele baka-2022 abenze kahle kakhulu. Izinga lokuphumelela kwabo libe ngu-98.42 wamaphesenti. Lezibalo zinyuke kancane uma uqhathanisa nezanyakenye ezaba ngu-98.39 wamaphesenti. Kulamaphesenti angu-89.32 abaphumelele ngama Bachelor bengakwazi ukuyokwenza izifundo ze-degree. Lokho nakho kube ukunyuka kancane uma uqhathanisa nabafundi bango-2021 abathola u-89.2 wamaphesenti. Kanti abangamaphesenti angu-7.52 ezikoleni ezizimele bona bangakwazi ukuyokwenza izifundo zediploma. Lokhu kwehle kusuka ku-7.82 uma uqhathanisa no-2021. Kube nokunyuka okuncane ezibalweni zabangakwazi ukuyokwenza izifundo ze-higher certificate kulonyaka kube ngamaphesenti angu-1.57 kanti ngo-2021 kwaba ngu-137 wamaphesenti. Ibhodi lilawula izivivinyo likushayela ihlombe labafundi baka-2022 abaphumelele ngamalengiso. Usuku lokuvala kwezicelo zalabo abafuna ukuphinde bamakelwe kabusha umhla zingama-31 kwephezulu.